Luca, when you're opening and saving workbooks in Excel, there's a couple of things that you want to keep in mind. Let me show you those.
Okay.
So let's start by opening a workbook. Where are you going to go to do that?
Let's go to File and Open.
And you can also use the shortcut key Control-O, and it'll bring you to the same spot.
Good to know.
First of all, you'll notice that in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see my name. That means I'm signed in with my Microsoft account. That gives me access to any OneDrive options, and then of course my SharePoint, which is also my Teams files and folders. I can also access things that are on my local computer. Now, you'll see a list of workbooks that we've worked with previously, and they're in date order, so the most recent is going to be near the top. You'll also see a search box up there, so you can just type in the name of the file that you're looking for. And then you can also search by folders. So just click on the Folders heading under the search box. You'll see folders that you've used recently, and again, those are in date order. Go down to that Excel 2021 and 365 folder. We're going to be using that one. And when you hold your mouse there, you actually see the picture of a pen. Go ahead and click on that.
And now it's pinned to the top.
Right, so it'll stay there at the top even when we use other folders.
Can I also pin files?
Sure, let's go back to the Workbooks heading. And we're going to be working with that corporate data workbook quite a bit throughout this course. So why don't you just hover your mouse over that? And you'll notice you have the pin option there as well. Go ahead and pin that.
And now that is pinned as well.
If you wanted to unpin it, you would just go back to that push pin, click on it again, and that would unpin it. We're actually going to open a workbook from my SharePoint site. So you'll see a quick access section. These are actually my SharePoint sites. So I'm going to go down to Client Projects, and then I'm going to navigate to find the file that I want. I'm going to open this Assets workbook.